Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to format our Windows 11 PC. To start, click on the Start menu, click on Settings. Now in the System section, click on Recovery. After this, click on Reset PC. Here, select whether or not to keep your files. Next, select the type of installation to use, local or cloud. Then click Change Settings. After that, it is possible to configure some process options. Now select Confirm. To advance, click Next. After that, wait for this operation to be completed. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. When finished, you must click Reset. From now on, he hopes that the process will continue. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.